Online class for kids.
Hi kids! Have you ever been to an amusement park before? Well, today, we will go there. Let's go have some fun. Come with me. Swing ride. People call it chair swing ride because of its design. Swing ride. Another fun thing to do is the water ride, an amusement ride that is set over water. Water ride. This one looks cool. Teacup ride. Looks like a cup-shaped spinning vehicle. Teacup ride. Let's spin in the merry-go-round. Merry-go-round. You can also see some brightly colored balloons. Balloons. And this is a mascot wearing a costume. Mascot. Another exciting ride is a go-kart, a small racing car. Go-kart. You can also watch a parade where people marching celebrating a special day. Parade. There is also a clown, an actor who wears makeup to make people laugh. Clown. A fascinating show can also be found in an amusement park. Show. How about ride a Ferris wheel, a revolving wheel while people are sitting? Ferris wheel. Oh, this one's a bit scary. Haunted house, a ghost house used to scare people for fun. Haunted house. Pirate ship ride. It swings from left to right. Hold on tight. Pirate ship ride. And don't forget to try the thrilling roller coaster. Roller coaster. Well, if you got hungry, you can go to these food stands. A food booth used to prepare and sell food in public. Food stands. Try some sweet churros, a crunchy deep fried sweet snack. Churros. Also, you can have some hot dogs, a hot cooked sausage eaten in a long soft roll. Hot dogs. Now that was a fun adventure. This time, let's try to play a game called Guess the Picture. What is this? Mascot. What is this? Teacup ride. What is this? Swing ride. What is this? Go-kart. What is this? Haunted house. Who is this? clown. What are these? Hot dogs. Job well done. I hope you learned a lot today. See you next time.